markets regulators Securities and Exchange Board of India or Sebi had introduced confidential filing of draft red herring prospectus or DRHP in India in November last year. And on December 1, Tata Play became the first firm to pre-file confidential papers with the regulator for an IPO. And it got the regulator's observation letter on April 26. But what is a confidential filing or pre-filing? Under it, DRHP, which contains vital information about the company's businesses and financials and must be compulsorily made public, is actually not made public. Confidential filing provides companies the option to keep their financial data private in case they want to call off listing plans later. Their offer document will be open to scrutiny from the regulator and exchanges but will not be open to the public. The purpose of a confidential IPO is to give companies flexibility over information flow and withhold sensitive information from the competitors. Many companies, despite obtaining the Sebi go-ahead for IPOs, have not been able to launch their issue. This new route will help companies explore listing options without unwarranted public scrutiny and opportunistic litigation. Though the details of the offer documents will remain confidential, an issuer will have to disclose that they have pre-filed for an IPO, and it does not necessarily mean that the issuer shall undertake an IPO. The idea is to give issuers time to explore the IPO route. The company will have to file an updated DRHP, which will be a public document once Sebi issues its observations and the company decides to launch its IPO. The updated DRHP will be the first public document from the issuer, and before this, the company will not showcase key performance indicators through any means to the public. Before this, research reports based on confidential filing will also not be permitted. The validity of Sebi's observations may be increased to 18 months as against the current 12 months to give sufficient time to issuers for marketing and advertisements. Issuers will have to file an updated DRHP within 16 months from the date of Sebi observation. Countries such as the UK, Canada, and US permit pre-filing of the offer document for review by the regulatory authorities. Subsequently, in case the issuers decide to proceed with the offer, the document incorporating changes mandated by the regulator is made available to the public. Companies such as Snapchat, Robinhood SurveyMonkey, and Line have taken the confidential filing route.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.